It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 Mustang GT Coupe. And this color is mischievous purple. Black cloth interior, seating for 4. And it has the Nite pony. So you'll notice the pony's blacked out, the GT's blacked out, and the roof is black. You also have these nice 19-inch painted black aluminum wheels, and as well it has a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. It's a rear-wheel drive, 450 horsepower, and it also has this raised Decklid spoiler, reverse camera, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it's a rear-wheel drive. It has 450 horsepower. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered. The driver's seat also has lumbar. Carpeted mats on the floor, and you have a little bin here. It's just pressure fit. Put items in, and the release for your trunk. Your lighting controls are located there. And then on the face of the steering wheel, you have your iconic pony, as well as your volume control, cruise control, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake and the clutch, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. And on the dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, as well as your menu. So let's go through there. Gauge mode, trip fuel, track apps, driver assist, settings, and back around again. And these all have sub-menus. In the center, we have our display screen coming up. Now, I've grabbed this vehicle just before the technicians have had a chance to go through it. And so it's a little slow to come up for the different options, but normally it'd be quicker than this. And you've got just a protective screen cover. That's that little yellow tab there. So if we go into audio, you're gonna see the sources for your entertainment, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And you notice I just touch on the screen for what I want. There's the climate control. And you've got dual climate control, as well as your AC, front and rear defrost. And then you've got your settings as well. So Bluetooth's in there, general. You can change the look of your display. You can change the unit. So if you want to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from kilometers to miles, you can do that. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So green, yellow, red is just telling us how close other objects or vehicles are in relation to our vehicle. And then volume and tuner, there's your dual climate control, AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. So you can control it on the screen, you can control it down here, you have the choice. There's your engine start stop, hazard lights, traction control, steering wheel feel, and drive mode. So as we toggle through that, you're going to see it on the dash. So there's normal, sport, and comfort, and then back around again. And then the drive mode will come up with normal, sport, track, drag, and snow wet. So as your road conditions, the way you're feeling, traction that you need, you can adapt to that with those different options. And then you've got your USB as 12 volt, 6-speed manual transmission, emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders, those rings, that's the ambient lighting. We can open up our armrest, it's quite good size, and you can put things in there. You've got a 12 volt and a USB. Off to the side is your locking glove compartment and your Mustang badging. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, as well as your lighting control. 19-inch black painted aluminum wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The raised Decklid spoiler in the rear, the GT badge, and you notice is blacked out, and the roof is also black, and that's because you have the Nite pony package on here. The backup camera is located just above the GT, backup sensors on your bumper. And when you want to open up that trunk, you simply double click your fob. You can also release the trunk from inside the vehicle and then just lift it up, and you've got this nice roomy trunk. There's a tire inflator underneath that center mat, and then when you want to put the trunk down, just give it a push with your hand, and now you can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. It's always fun to go for a drive in a Mustang, and I've powered the front seat forward and brought the back of the seat ahead. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back. It's a 50-50 split. This is called a fastback, and you simply pull the tab. You now have access to the trunk area. There's anchors behind the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give it a push and go in the upright position. And on the back of the seat is your clip, as well as a pocket and your seatbelt minder. backup camera and sensors in the rear, raised Decklid spoiler, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.